Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we will be discussing about the Mahakal Lok Corridor that is in Ujjain. Now recently our Prime Minister inaugurated the Mahakaleshwar Corridor on the 11th of October that is constructed in Madhya Pradesh's Ujjain at a cost of rupees 350 crore. So let us talk about the Mahakal Corridor. The Mahakal Maharaj Mandir Parisar Vistar Yojana is a plan for the expansion, beautification and its adjoining area in the Ujjain district. Under the plan, the Mahakaleshwar temple premises of around 2.82 hectares is being increased to 47 hectares, which will be developed in two phases by the Ujjain district administration. This will include the 17 hectares of the Rudrasagar lake. The project is expected to increase the annual footfall in the city from the current 1.5 crore to nearly 3 crores. In a recent cabinet meeting held, the Mahakal corridor was renamed as Mahakal Lok. Now Mahakaleshwar, which means the Lord of Time, refers to Lord Shiv. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiv and it is located in the city of Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh on the banks of river Shipra. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlings, shrines which are said to be the most sacred abodes of Lord Shiv. The shrine is also revered as one of the 18 Mahashakti Peeth shrines dedicated to various forms of Adi Shakti. If we talk about the references in Hindu scriptures, Kalidas, the great Sanskrit poet, has mentioned about the rituals of Mahakaleshwar temple in his work Meghdoot. As per Hindu mythology, the temple was constructed by Lord Brahma and the temple in its present form was built by Maratha general Ranuji Shinde in 1734. Now let us understand how Mahakaleshwar is different from other Mahajyotirlings. The presiding deity Shiv in the lingam form is believed to be Swayambhu, deriving currents of power or Shakti from within itself, as against the other images and lingams that are ritually established and invested with Mantra Shakti. Mahakaleshwar is the only Jyotirling facing the south, while all the other Jyotirlings face east. And this is because the direction of death is believed to be south. Now let us talk about Mahajyotirlingam. A Jyotirling or Jyotirlingam is a devotional representation of Hindu god Shiv. Shiv Puran mentions 64 original Jyotirling shrines in India, 12 of which are most sacred and they are called as the Mahajyotirlingam. These include Mahakaleshwar and Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh, Somnath and Nageshwar in Gujarat, Mallikarjun in Andhra Pradesh, Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, Bhima Shankar Triambakeshwar and Grishneshwar in Maharashtra, Vishwanath in Uttar Pradesh, Baidyanath in Jharkhand and Rameshwar in Tamil Nadu. So this was a little bit about the topic. Now let us take up one practice question on the same. Consider the following statements regarding Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling. First, the presiding deity Shiv in the lingam form is believed to be Swayambhu, deriving currents of power that is Shakti from within itself, as against the other lingams that are ritually established. Second, Mahakaleshwar is the only Jyotirling facing the east, while all other Jyotirlings face south. Now, which of the statements given above are correct? You can take a moment and write your answers in the comment section below. So, as we know, here only the first statement is correct. The second statement is wrong, as Mahakaleshwar is the only Jyotirling facing the south, while all other Jyotirlings face east. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, that is 1 only. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. I will see you with some other topic tomorrow. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.